GIT merge vs rebase. What is GIT merge? GIT merge equals combining one branch into another by keeping full history. It means, take changes from one branch, add them into another branch. Example, feature login means merge means main. Y keeps complete commit history, shows exactly how branches joined. What is GIT rebase? GIT rebase equals moving your branch commits on top of another branch. It means, rewrite commit history, make commits look linear. Example, feature login means rebase onto means main. Y creates clean and straight history, makes project timeline easier to read. 1. How GIT merge works. Before merge, \d e. After merge, \d e. M equals merge commit. Y preserves branch structure, shows when branches were merged. 2. How GIT rebase works. Before rebase, \d e. After rebase, Y no merge commit, straight commit line. 3. History difference. Merge keeps all branches, has merge commits, history looks like a tree. Rebase removes branch shape, no merge commit, history looks like a line. Y merge equals detailed history, rebase equals clean history. 4. When to use GIT merge. Use merge when check mark working in teams, check mark want full history, check mark merging shared branches, check mark using pull requests. Y safe and non-destructive, no history rewrite. 5. When to use GIT rebase. Use rebase when check mark cleaning your own branch, check mark before opening PR, check mark working alone, check mark want linear history. Y makes commits neat, easier to review. 6. Safety rules. Merge safe for shared branches, no risk of rewriting history. Rebase safe only on private branches, dangerous on shared branches. Y rebase rewrites history, can confuse teammates. 7. Conflict handling. Merge conflicts resolved once during merge. Rebase conflicts may happen multiple times. Resolve conflict means continue rebase. Y rebase needs more care, merge is simpler. 8. Effect on pull requests. Merge in PR shows all commits, shows merge commit. Rebase in PR shows clean commits, looks like straight line. Y teams choose based on style. 9. Common beginner mistakes. Rebasing main branch, rebasing shared branch, not understanding history change, mixing merge and rebase randomly. Y can break team workflow, can lose commit references. 10. Best use cases. Use merge for team projects, open source, production branches. Use rebase for cleaning feature branches, personal branches, preparing PRs. Y merge equals teamwork, rebase equals cleanup. Real life example. Merge equals joining two roads with a flyover. Rebase equals moving one road to join straight. Merge keeps junction, rebase removes junction. Y merge shows joins, rebase shows straight path. In simple words, merge equals join branches plus keep history. Rebase equals move commits plus clean history. Merge equals safe. Rebase equals risky if misused. Best practice. Rebase your feature branch means then merge into main. GIT merge vs rebase equals history style choice.